In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use LinkedIn to come up with micro SaaS or SaaS ideas. This is useful if you are an engineer or if you're trying to build a no-code product. It should help with both use cases. What you want to do is go to LinkedIn and then search up the niche that you are targeting. So let's say I'm interested in starting a cold email product. So I would search cold email and then it would bring up all of the posts on LinkedIn. Here's the important part. What you want to do is you want to go to the comments and go to the reaction section. When you open up the reaction section, this is different than other platforms because most other platforms, you don't see the person's face plus their title. So what I mean by that is if you go to the reaction section, you'll see their picture plus their title. So all this is like important information that will be used to come up with your idea. When you search cold email, this is a post which is like cold email for grad school. This already is one possible niche, which is like creating a cold email service just for grad students that want to get a job. But if you open up the reactions, you can see the type of people that are reacting to this. So it's like student, medical student. Again, this is like a pretty good idea, which is like maybe cold email just for medical students to get into med school. Here it's voice over artists. So from that, maybe you can think of cold emailing for voice artists to get jobs at movies. Let's just keep scrolling, like research assistant. So maybe like getting jobs for research assistants. Look at this, right? Public speaking coach. So I didn't even know this was a real thing, but you could even craft your product to be like, this micro SaaS will help public speaking coaches get more clients and help their students get success. The idea is that these are not all guaranteed banger ideas or are profitable, but it's just a source for you to find niches that are not obvious. So after you find the niche, the next step is you want to see how profitable this niche is. So from that, you just go to Exploding Insights, and this is a database of profitable ideas. So you just search cold email, and this will bring up a database of how much money this niche has already made. So it comes in this nice little UI that you can just scan. Okay, so here, do impressive sales email copywriting to boost your sales. So this has made over $30,000. This one here, email sequence for cold email lead generation. This has made over $130,000, right? So this is a proven niche. It's already validated, so you're not wasting your time. Now, from this, what are you going to do? So you see that this has made over $130K, right? So instead of just targeting this broad niche of just cold email, what we've researched from LinkedIn is that there are specific people in this niche that might have this problem. So it's like the public speaking coach, the students. These are all micro niches, and the fact is, if you niche down, it's a lot easier to charge more. Plus, it's easier for you to solve the problem because you're only targeting that one sub niche. So instead of just creating this like really broad product that tries to solve the problem for everyone, what you want to do is find specific sub niches through LinkedIn. Let's say we're creating this product that only helps medical students get into their med school of their dreams. And you can see that this is how much they're charging for other services, like $250. So you could charge something similar. For $25 a month, we help medical students get more applicants accepted. So that's just an idea. And the great thing is you can like literally see what your potential customers look like. That can be used for marketing, for even coming up with what to put in your ads. So let's do another example. So that was just one post. You can play around with the keyword. Instead of just cold email, maybe you can search like cold email sequence or cold email writing. Play around with the keyword and you will come up with a lot of different posts. This one here, so this guy made a video and there was 9 reactions. So let's see. So this one is already different from the other posts we saw because the other one was more geared towards students. And this one, you can see that it's more business people, engineers, and data scientists. You can see how you can find so many sub niches by just looking through different posts. This one is senior quality engineer or aspiring data scientist, helping businesses thrive with SAP solutions. So maybe cold emailing just for SAP specialists. The idea is you're trying to find all the niches that are possible. And then once you find all the niches, you want to just test those niches either through ads, through content, through cold email, and just test which one is the most profitable plus the one that is more likely to buy your product and to actually get value from your product. Let's do another idea. Instead of searching for cold email, we're searching for micro SaaS. Generally, I like to just look at posts, but there's also stuff like groups. So you can join groups that have people that might be interested in your product. So again, this is the main purpose of this, is to find people and to find specific sub niches. So here, 14 people, let's click on this one and see what people are interested in. So this one is a bit interesting for me because the people that buy Exploding Insights generally are people that are interested in building micro SaaS. So this is how I would actually find what other niches I could expand into. So here you can see that tech advocate for entrepreneurs. So this is not a niche that I thought of, which I might explore. So it's like director of client success, right? So this is maybe a potential sub niche. So maybe I could create content around like how to find micro SaaS ideas as a client success manager, right? So that's one idea. As you keep scrolling, you'll see a lot of different people. So this guy is a CEO and he's interested in micro SaaS. So that's again just another positive signal. So let's take a look at this post. You open it up and there's 25 reactions. So again, like you see this, right? UI/UX designer. So I could create content around best micro SaaS for designer. In that video, I would go over the best micro SaaS that designers can start in 2024. So that's one idea. This guy is a solution architect. So this is another potential customer segment. So yeah, you guys probably get the idea, which is just using these posts as ways to find what your customers look like, plus using LinkedIn to find sub niches. So yeah, here's like founder, blockchain enthusiast, CEO, student, senior product manager, right? So there's so many different types of people that could be customers for your product, and LinkedIn is the easiest way to find those people. Hopefully this was like a quick and useful tip, and see you guys next time.